This Honda vehicle comes with a highly versatile audio system, which lets you enjoy audio entertainment from a variety of sources. To use the system, the vehicle's power mode must be set to accessory or on. The system's power and volume knob is to the left of the display. Push the knob to turn the system on or off, and turn it to increase or decrease volume. Below the selector knob to the right of the display is a menu button that gives you access to many customizable settings on the touchscreen. Next to it is a reverse arrow back button. Press it to return to the previous display. Touch the radio button to select between radio bands. Use the selector knob to tune the radio to the desired station, or use the double arrow forward and back buttons to search for stations with a strong signal up and down the band. When your desired station is selected, look for its frequency among the preset buttons. To save the station to your preset choices, press and hold the appropriate preset button until it beeps. You can select the media button if you'd like to stream Bluetooth audio, play a connected iPod, or access audio files on a plugged-in USB flash drive. The media USB port is located just below the climate controls and features the familiar three-pronged icon. And be aware that there are several audio remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel that let you adjust the volume, change the audio source, and use the seek and skip functions. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details.